Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another Christmas video. I hope you all are having a very Merry Christmas and a festive holiday season. In today's video, we're going to be making some DIYs. This time around, they're going to be Santa themed. So first, we have some personalized letter ornaments. Second, some Santa suit napkin rings. And lastly, a Santa suit garland made with string lights. So if you guys want to see these DIYs, then please keep watching. Alright guys, first thing we're going to start with is our Santa letter ornaments. I did go ahead and paint mine off screen, but I will show you what they look like. I did get these from Hobby Lobby and I got our initials, so I got one for my husband, myself, and my daughter. These packs came with 2 letters per pack. They were $1.47 and then half off, so it was very, very inexpensive. They do come with 2. So like I said, I did go ahead and paint these off screen for the sake of time. This is the paint that I used. It is by the Folk Art brand. It's a beautiful Christmas red. So I did add 2 coats to the front and to the back, and of course the sides. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some white paint to the bottom to kind of look like snow. And then also to add another 3D effect, we're gonna add some fake snow. I got this from Dollar Tree. And then maybe we'll toss in some iridescent glitter there as well. Like I said, we're just gonna do the bottom here on each letter. Kind of do like a swirly, wavy pattern to kind of mimic snow, because snow isn't always flat. You do want to make sure this is completely dry before you try to add the white paint, because then it will just turn pink. Alright. The good thing about chalk paint is it does dry pretty quick. So I'm going to blow these a little bit before I add a second coat. And then while the paint is still wet, we're going to add our snow so it sticks right on. And that is what it should look like. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other letters. Alright guys, I let these dry just for a little bit, just so they're not super tacky. Here's what they look like. They came out really adorable with the snow. I didn't add any glitter. I don't think it needs it, but feel free. So next up, we're going to take our little mini Santa hats. I did get these from Hobby Lobby. They do look like this. It is in their craft section. They were $2.99 and then half off of that, so very inexpensive as well. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna put them in the corner of your letter and get the placement you like. You can either leave the hats pointing straight up or fold them over and then just hot glue it down, which I think is what I'm gonna do. I think that looks cuter. So I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue the base down. Fold the hat over and glue the pom-pom down like so. And here's what it looks like. Very cute. Alright, so I went ahead and cut 3 even pieces of this velvet ribbon. Got this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It was $1.99. You can use velvet, you can use silk, you can use regular ribbon. It's completely up to you. You can even paint them on if you'd like, but this is what I have because I'm going to use this for other projects. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take some diamond wrap. I got both of these from Dollar Tree. You can either get the diamond wrap stickers, adhesive stickers, or you can do the diamond wrap ribbon. I got both because I don't know what's going to work the best. So I basically went ahead and cut out 3 little 3x3 squares, as you can see here. We're going to cut out the center so that the ribbon can be strung through. You'll see what I mean in a second. You kind of want it to look like Santa's belt. So you're going to take your little 3x3 square, and I went ahead and cut the string right here, and right here I left the dot in the middle to kind of keep it together, but I'm going to string it through. So you're going to insert the ribbon through one of the holes. Carefully pull it through like that. Then you're going to stick it back through the other hole that you had cut. Can get it in there. It's a little bit tricky, but once you get it, it's pretty easy. And then you're gonna pull it through. So it looks like a little Santa belt, if that makes sense. So you just cut the little string here, cut the little string here, weave the ribbon through and pull it through the other side, like so. All right, now we're just gonna line it up on our letter, make sure everything looks good. If the size is proportionate to the letter, which I think it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the other ones for the other letters. All right guys, got all the belts done. Now we're going to attach them to the letter. All right, so we're gonna flip our letter over, make sure your belt is in the right place. And voila, here's your little ornament. Isn't that adorable? I think it's so cute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. All right guys, got the black velvet ribbon attached with the belt buckle on each of my ornaments. All that's left to do is to attach your ribbon to hang it from the tree. I got this 3-pack from Hobby Lobby for $4.99 with half off. I'm probably gonna use the white just to bring out some of the white in the ornament. So all you're gonna do is attach it and you're done. Alright guys, here's how they turned out. I thought they came out really cute, simple, and festive. These are perfect little gifts or even stocking stuffers, and you can personalize them, obviously with your loved one's initial. I think it's a cute little gift. Alright guys, next up we're going to make our Santa suit napkin rings. So here's the things you'll need. Some red felt, a white feather boa, or any kind of fuzzy yarn that will work too. Some rhinestone buckles. I got these from Hobby Lobby for $2.79 each. I did get them 40% off with a coupon, just keep that in mind. Some black ribbon, you can do satin or velvet, mine is velvet. Some white napkins or napkins of choice, and then a leftover paper towel roll. We've got a ton of these in my house because my daughter loves doing arts and crafts, so this wasn't hard for me to find. And then obviously you'll need some scissors, some hot glue, and I'm gonna be using this fabric cutter to cut my felt. So first up, you're gonna actually measure out your napkin ring length. You can make them as wide or as thin as you'd like. I'm gonna kind of line it up here somewhere. Don't worry too much if the edges aren't perfect. This is all going to be covered with the felt and the fur. Okay, there we are. Okay, now we're gonna cut our felt. You're gonna put your napkin ring here just to kind of see how wide you need it. You don't want it to overlap too much. Cut a straight line across. You're basically just gonna hot glue this on like so. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna do the rest. All right, once you've got it all cut, you're gonna go ahead and hot glue it on. So what I would suggest doing is doing it in small batches. So add a line of glue at the bottom of the felt to start. Once you come to where the two seams meet, you're gonna go ahead and trim down the rest. And ta-da, you've got a little napkin ring. Don't worry if you can see the edges, we're gonna cover that with the fur. All right guys, got all of our napkin rings covered with our felt. We're gonna go ahead and add our black ribbon. So you're gonna wanna wrap this around, measure it out, and then cut it. All right, I've got all these measured out. We're gonna go ahead and attach our ribbon and our rhinestone buckle. These buckles are really pretty. I feel like this is what's gonna make this look more high-end. Stunning. So now you're just gonna weave on the buckle onto the ribbon just like we did with our letter ornaments. Turn it around, and you're gonna wanna glue it on the seam of the felt too, just so everything is cohesive. That one's done. Now we're gonna set it aside and do the rest. All right, got our beautiful buckles on. Now we're gonna attach our feather boa. So I got my feather boa from Hobby Lobby. It was $2.99 with half off in the craft section. So again, inexpensive. So basically what you're gonna do is just hot glue your feather boa to the top rim, on the top and the bottom, and that's it, guys. Very easy. I'm gonna go ahead and glue my feather boa down to the top rim of our napkin ring. Again, I'm gonna work in batches. So here's the top piece. It is very, very fluffy. You can go ahead and trim this down if you want a little bit. I think I'll do that after it's all said and done. And I'm gonna glue down this buckle because it keeps moving around. But other than that, it's gonna come out really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom. All right guys, I went ahead and did these ones off camera. So basically, just get some napkins. I got the cheap ones from Walmart because these are only gonna be on display. I think they were like $2 for 2 napkins. I got white, so you're basically just gonna take your napkins out, stick them in your napkin rings, and that's it, guys. Very cute, very festive, very Santa blingy. Again, if you want to make more than 4, then you'll need to get double the buckles, double the felt, double everything basically. Alright guys, last but not least, we're going to be making our Santa string lights. So what you're going to need is a set of white mini lights, some little mini cups, I got these from the Dollar Tree, some diamond wrap, also from the Dollar Tree, and some black ribbon from Hobby Lobby. Alright, we've got our string lights, we've got our cups. Now basically what you're going to do is you're going to cut a hole in the bottom of the cup and stick it into the light, so the light will peek through. So it'll be like a little cup hanging down. But first, we're gonna take our red cups, add some more black ribbon here, and then we're gonna make our little belt buckles like we've done with everything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off screen and I'll be back. All right guys, we got all of our buckles made. We're gonna go ahead and attach them to our little mini solo cups. Just be very careful, use a minimal amount of glue because this is plastic, you don't wanna melt it. There we have our little Santa suit. All right, our mini cups are all ready. I put the ribbon and the buckle on there, so we are all set to go for assembly. Hope you guys can see, but I did go ahead and add a little X to the top of the cup with a knife, just so we can stick the light bulb in there. So if you have a craft knife, that would be better, but I don't, so I just use a little paring knife, stuck it in this way, stuck it in that way, made an X. All right guys, gotta take my cup, stick my light bulb in the hole there. Just be a little bit gentle. This is a light bulb we're doing here, and stick it all the way in the hole like so. Alright guys, there we have it. Now let's plug it in and make sure it works, and we are done.
Alright, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these Santa themed DIYs. If you haven't seen my other DIYs, I will link my Christmas 2020 playlist down below if you guys want to check it out. This will be my last Christmas DIY for the year, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and everyone is safe and healthy, and I'm wishing you all the best in the new year to come. So if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.